In this quick tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to turn on or off conversation mode in Gmail.
So to make that adjustment, you just go up here to the settings and you click on settings, or go up to the gear there and click on settings. And then it's right under the general tab. You just scroll all the way down, and right under Smart Compose, under default text style, you go from conversation view off to on. Don't forget to hit the save at the very bottom. That really hides from you. And it's going to take a little while because it now has to pull everything together that was split up. But now you will see everything is really nicely grouped together. A reason you might want to turn this off is if you sent out an email to about 10 or 15 people and they've replied individually. That's hard to keep track of. But for the most part, having conversation view on is a great way to keep things.
That's turning on/off conversation mode in Gmail. If you liked this short tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like more tips like these.